Hello friends, I am Survi Chaudhary. I am a student of Attitude Academy.
Hello guys, I am Simran and I am a student of Attitude Academy, and we both played a role of old friends.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yes.
I have seen you somewhere.
Oh my god, Simran.
Yeah, are you Survi Jyoti who went with DPS with me?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, what's about you?
I'm happy to see you.
Okay, so it's been 8 years, yeah?
Yeah, it's so nice. Look at you, you looks good. Working out?
Yeah, thanks. No, it's just on and off. So what you do?
I'm pursuing my BA in SRCC.
Oh freak, even I am in SRCC. It's like we are in same batch. Oh my god, what a coincidence.
So, do you join any society? Like I am in debate society.
Yeah, I had also joined dance society there.
Oh, that's great.
So do you want to order something?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Waiter, 1 cappuccino and 1 caramel frap for a lady.
Oh God, you are not forgotten as yet. That's sweet. You know how much fun we had.
Yeah, that school was the wonderful day of our life. How could I forget that?
I think school days are the golden periods of our day on every member.
And do you remember we used to stay on the last bench of the school of the class, and study should be the last priority of us.
Yeah, I know. And that's great.
Yeah. So I think we should exchange our number. Don't you want to revive that memory again?
No, please exchange your number.
Okay. Yeah, here it is.
Thank you.
Okay, so having a nice day.
You also.
Bye.
Thank you.